Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to know when your iPhone or iPad was manufactured. Let's have a look. Before we start, make sure you are using iPhone 15 or later. Here I am using iPhone 15 Pro Max. First, unlock your phone with Face ID or passcode. Then open Settings app on your iPhone. From iPhone settings, tap Battery. Then tap Battery Health. See the manufacture date to know when this device battery was manufactured. Then you will see the first use date. Note that the manufacture date in battery health settings will be different if the battery was replaced on this device. So these are the steps to know when your iPhone or iPad was manufactured. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.